Colors are so nice, amazingly printed, lovely squiggly wonky motif running right from top to bottom. Typical bagro prints with beautiful lovely paisley motifs with the little leaf motifs around it. Beautiful silver zari panel right in the center. Call it red, almost an orangish red fern motif and also a light green. Of course, it's embellished by the beautiful silver zari panel in the center and stripes on both sides. Very intricate block. You can see how complicated and how complex this block is. Beautiful indigo, dark indigo blue polka dots. Hello Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today in the Avishya Festive Fiesta series, we are going to be looking at a beautiful collection of lovely hand block printed linen sarees. We have a wonderful collection of linen sarees at Avishya and they have different designs. Some of them are dabu printed, some of them are shibori printed, some of them are hand block printed, some of them are bagru printed, but all of them are beautiful hand block printed sarees. So it comes to the beautiful, lovely ethos which only hand block printed sarees can have, and of course they're made from the finest linen, so the crispness of the feel and the fall will be amazing. So let me start today by showing you this lovely, beautiful, awesome saree. This is a beautiful mauve and purple color bagru printed linen saree. Let me show you the body of the saree first. I'll just show it to you. Awesome, lovely. The colors are so nice, amazingly printed, lovely, and the feel, the special feel of linen is so nice, and the silver tissue saree borders are really amazing, really amazing. Beautiful saree, and the bagru prints are really stunning. It's lovely, and both sides have the silver edging and the lovely wonky border on both sides. And I'll open it out. Let's see what the pallu of the saree looks like. Yes, gorgeous, beautiful pallu, lovely pallu, again with beautiful silver zari stripes across the pallu, and beautiful, lovely, squiggly, wonky motif running right from top to bottom, and a central panel which has got a thick zari stripe in the center. The beautiful thing, which is the centerpiece of the pallu. So overall, it's got a very classy, very rustic look. The colors, the combination of this mauve and magenta and chocolate brown, which is what gives this saree, and it's hand block printed. So it's got a very organic feel to the colors. Each color runs into each other, so it's looking very pretty. So it's got a very stunning look. Let's see what the blouse of the saree looks like. Wonderful blouse, beautiful, and again the beautiful melding of the chocolate brown and the purple and the mauve comes through in the fabric itself. If you can see the way it's woven, the different colors are woven together, and the printing handles it so beautifully, and the linen of course feels so nice, so soft and crisp at the same time, giving it its special feel. So that was the first in the series of this hand block printed linen sarees. I hope you like this saree, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button so that you keep getting notified. And for those of you who like the saree, I urge you to come out to our store to personally take a closer look at the saree and drape it and get a sense of the feel for the fabric and the colors here. Beautiful organic colors. So our store is located at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet, and you must come out to the store. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection of beautiful hand block printed linen sarees that we have. And if you also have any comments, if you have any questions about our sarees, please come to the comment section and please leave your comments. Whether you like the video, like the saree, or if you have any queries, please leave it there, and our online team will be happy to answer to you. In fact, for those of you who are not in Chennai, you can log into avishya.com, and the entire collection of hand block printed linen sarees are available online, and we have an online sales team. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and help you choose the right one. Next, we'll have a look at this beautiful, lovely Mehndi green hand block printed linen saree. This is a lovely color, beautiful color. Again, the colors which can be achieved by organic dyes and pigments is something else, and this is a combination actually of Mehndi green and mud brown. So it's a beautiful color. They've achieved this very by mixing these dyes. Fabulous color. And that's of course typical bagru prints with beautiful, lovely paisley motifs with the little leaf motifs around it. Very classic bagru motif. And on both sides you have lovely floral motifs on the edges. And of course right at the edge you have the lovely tissue zari as well. So it's very nice. It's a very classic color, very elegant, and you can really come off looking very stylish wearing a saree like this. Let's see what the pallu looks like. I'll open it out for you so that you can see the whole thing together, the body and the pallu. This is how it looks. Wow, nice, very stylish, very earthy, very rustic, but the silver zari gives that dash of dazzle, which really lifts the saree. And of course the motifs are are all in a very lovely brownish yellow background. It's a lovely color. So it comes out very nicely against the background of the Mehndi and mud brown. Beautiful. So it's a very classy combination. If you look at the pallu, you have the central panel, silver zari, and you have silver zari stripes on both sides. And of course, you have this lovely little floral motifs, mustard motifs running from top to bottom. This follows the same pattern as the border. So this is how the body and the pallu looks. And let's look at the blouse of the saree. Yes, it's a lovely, beautiful, again, a mehndi green mud brown combination blouse. And it also has this lovely same border pattern on the edges that can be used to design the blouse. And overall, it looks very classy, very elegant saree. So let's move on to the next one. Next, we'll move on to this beautiful lilac blue hand block printed linen saree. I'll just open out the body of the saree for you. Beautiful, lovely hand block printing, classic bugru motifs, the paisleys and the leaves and the florals all around it. It's really nice. And the edge has got a lovely tissue silver saree, and there's beautiful fern motifs on the side. It's lovely. It's a fabulous saree with lovely motifs. Let me open out the saree for you so that we can see the pallu as well. Lovely pallu, beautiful silver zari panel right in the center, and again these beautiful fern-like motifs in the center, with on both sides of which you have lovely floral vines in white on the beautiful blue lilac color. It's really nice, fabulous saree, beautifully designed, and you'll see what the blouse is designed like. Beautiful. Again, the busyness and the lovely motifs of the saree. The very stark, plain, beautiful lilac blouse against the body. So as you can see, it contrasts very nicely, looks very stark against this background. Right? We'll move on next to the beautiful, lovely green saree. Fabulous saree. It's an awesome green. It's a beautiful forest green. Fabulous saree. Beautiful. And the color combination is so stunning. It's got lovely colored red, almost an orangish red fern motif, and also a light green. Both the red and green motifs on the background of the forest green looks really nice. Green, the background is almost like bottle green actually. Very dark background, and the light green and the red look beautiful. And the borders have got lovely geometric motifs on both sides, and the edge it's got beautiful, very pretty silver saree. So it's a very dashing looking saree. Let's see what the pallu of this saree looks like and see how it looks together with the body. Gorgeous pallu, beautiful motifs, lovely floral motifs, and of course it's embellished by the beautiful silver zari panel in the center and stripes on both sides. And of course the combination of this dark forest green, a bottle green, the light green and the red, it works very well and looks very stunning. Let's see what the blouse. Oh, beautiful. The blouse is designed so well. Very dark bottle green. And against that, the red prints, beautiful block prints, lovely planned block prints, and this together with the body. You can imagine how the saree will look when you drape it. It's really stunning, very stark and very stylish. Last not the least, we'll go with the beautiful indigo blue hand block printed linen saree. Fabulous. Body looks really pretty. Very intricate block. You can see how complicated and how complex this block is. Beautiful floral motif with a 4-clover motif right in the center, and inside that there are smaller star motifs and acorn motifs in the center. And apart from the central white reverse printing on the indigo print, there's also a lighter blue. Beautiful. So this is really printed using a dabo printing style. You can see the different patches. It's not even like a hand block, but you can see these patches in between here and there. Also here in the stripes in the border, you can see how it is patchy. The beauty of dabo printing, the Madras printing which is used to print this. It's a fabulous dabo printed linen saree, and this is how the body looks. Let's see what the pallu looks. The pallu starts somewhere here. So together, let's see how it works. Wow, nice. Fabulous. Again, the whites are used so prettily in the background of the indigo blue. You have beautiful, a lovely row of plants here. It's almost like a flower pot. Beautiful row here, and there's a beautiful row of lehers here on the edge. There's a leher motif on the side in the very edge. Here there are there's a tree motif kind of a thing here, beautifully, which runs from top to bottom. And this one, instead of against the indigo blue background, it's against a white light blue or a white background. So the indigo patches come so beautifully. It looks so rich. The dyeing is so skillful. The dabo printing here, it's so very well done, and the dyes, of course, the beautiful organic dyes give it a fabulous touch. So this is the grand pallu, and it is how it works along with the body of the saree. So you'll also take a look at the blouse, what's been planned here. Wow, very nice, very lovely, beautiful indigo, dark indigo blue polka dots on the indigo background, light blue polka dots, and of course in the edge you have lovely leher motifs and silver zari motifs here. It looks really pretty. And if you see the body and the pallu and the blouse, you can imagine how stylish something like this will come out if you wear it. It's a fabulous saree and it's a fantastic example of the really dashing look that a wonderful hand block printed linen saree can create for someone. And this festive season, we have a wonderful collection of this hand block printed linen sarees, and I'm sure you'll enjoy each and every one of them. I've had the time to show you only 5 of these. So we have a large collection in different colors. So you must come over to the Avishya store. Avishya store is located in 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. Please come over. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection of beautiful hand block printed and double printed linen sarees. We'll be very, very happy, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the touch, feel of the beautiful linen and the colors and the organic colors and the dyes used. You'll get a sense of the wonderfully made product, and you can try it out in our trial rooms and really enjoy this. And of course, if you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notified, and subscribe to our channel if you can, so that you get regular feeds from us on all the new introductions that we have. For this festive season, upcoming festive season, we have planned a lot of new collections. The second in the series of Festive Fiesta is showing a lot of new collections coming up. So please stay tuned in and you will get all the beautiful collections for Dasara Diwali coming up. Thank you so much for watching. And for those of you who have any comments or any questions, please go to the comment section and let us know what you think about the video, whether you like it, whether you like these sarees, if you have any questions about linen, about double printing, about organic dyes, any of these questions, please go to the comment section and let us know what you think. I've showed you about 5 sarees from this wonderful collection of hand block printed linen sarees. But if you like any of these sarees, if you particularly like any color, we saw mauve, we saw beautiful Mehndi green, we saw a lovely, beautiful indigo blue. So if you like any of those sarees, please do take a screenshot. If you take a screenshot, and then you can WhatsApp us at 73057 77291. I'll repeat that again. 73057 77291 is the number on which our customer help team will be available. Any of these sarees, if you like them, just take a screenshot on your mobile and then send it off to this, shoot it off to this number, and we'll be happy to get back to you with all your questions and whatever inquiries you may have regarding price or quality, everything. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.